Hello, and welcome to a new lesson on using specific language. Did you know that we should all be using specific language? And choosing words that are more precise and give more details. This can help readers and people who are listening to us. So, what do these words mean? Well, specific is used to refer to a particular subject. And the word precise is used to emphasize that something is exact or accurate rather than vague. Why are we learning this? We want to convey our ideas accurately and effectively. This can enhance the clarity, reduce misunderstandings, and improve overall communication, which is our goal when we want to learn English. Let's take this example and analyze it. If someone says, "I eat breakfast," we don't quite know what they're eating or when they're eating. I eat cereal and a banana every day for breakfast. Did you hear the difference? I eat cereal and a banana every day for breakfast is way more specific. Let's try this with another example. They talk. Let's replace the word they with something more specific. We could say the students talk. Now let's add more details by telling where. The students talk in the hallway. Let's add even more details by telling when. The students talk in the hallway after class. Here you can see the before and after. They talk became the students talk in the hallway after class. This is way more specific and gives more detail. So, how can I write with more specific language? We can use question words to help us give more details, like who, what, when, where, why, and how. So if we look at this picture, we see the sentence under it, it swims. So who swims? Where do they swim? When do they swim? We can change this simple sentence to a more complex sentence. The sea turtle swims in the ocean all day long. Let's try another example. She sleeps. So who is she? When does she sleep? Where does she sleep? The girl Jan sleeps in class during her first period. Let's look at this simple sentence. He writes. A more complex way of saying that could be, the teacher writes a math problem on the board at school. He picks fruit. A more complex way to say that could be, the young man picks fruit on the farm in the mornings. They play. A more complex way to say that could be, the high school students play basketball after school. The animal climbs. To be more specific, we could say, the squirrel climbs up and down from the tree to get food. We walk together. A more complex sentence could be, the family walks home together after playing sports in the park. So please remember that when you are speaking or writing, to use words that are more precise because it gives details and information to the listener or reader. Remember, do this by asking yourself questions like who, what, when, where, why, and how. And remember, as always, while learning English, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to practice this. And before you leave, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our channel, ESL Class for You. See you next time.